Hi friends, welcome to the third tutorial about AG Grid integration in React. If you need to check about the first and second tutorials, please check the channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe and like. That will encourage me to upload similar videos. I am continuing from the previous video. So currently we have AG Grid installation and checked about filtering, quick filter parameters, value getter and value formatter, etc. Today we are going to check about rendering other React components in the AG Grid cells. Before that, I am just showing you how currently it looks like. You can see the code. We have created some data. Then we have set the column definitions, value formatter function used, value getter function used, filter parameters, then default column parameters, column definitions, then quick filter text, and the AG Grid React integration. So when running it, currently it is running. When running it, we can see this. Okay, currently all things are working here, like the filtering is working, quick search is working. Like if I search for 21, it will list only the age 21. Okay, currently we are going to integrate another React component in the AG Grid React cell. So first I am going to create a new component. So I am creating a folder just for creating the component. Okay, in the components folder I am creating a file greeting.js. This is a sample component. Const greeting equal to props exporting it, export default greeting. Okay, now we are returning some sample text. Now return inside a div hello. Okay, this is a very basic component and we are going to display this component in a new React cell, AG Grid React cell. So I am going to create another column here. Like there is no corresponding field, so just adding a header name equal to greeting. Okay, then we are going to use the method cell renderer equal to, now we need to import the greeting here. Just typing greeting, it is coming here. Okay, so when I added it, it is imported automatically. It is imported here, import components greeting. Okay, this is very simple and we currently imported the greeting. So now just check the result. Okay, you can see it, the title greeting and the hello, that is inside the component, inside the greeting component. So it is displaying fine there. Currently I am going to pass some values to the greeting. So it is rendering in the raw and all this data will be available here. We are not, there is no need for passing the data to the basic data, the basic data, raw data to the component. So we can access it directly here, like constant data is equal to props dot data. Okay, in this data all raw data will be available. So I am just printing it here, data dot first name, this first name. Okay, now I am just running it. So you can see that hello Henry, hello Diana. Okay, now it is printing the first name. So this data is automatically coming to the component, the raw data. Now if we need to pass any other data, like suppose we need to just passing some sample data, like need to pass some data to the component, then we have another parameter like cell renderer params. We are sending a color. So here it is male and female data. So we are setting a male under color and female under color. Okay, so we are passing some color data to it. Color, next male, we are setting blue to male and female, setting red. Okay, so we added the cell renderer params and color. We are passing this color to the here. So we have to accept it here. Color and the props. So this color will be available here. This color is available there. Okay, now we have to we are changing the divs color, divs text color. Okay, we are styling it, style color equal to, we are using a if condition to check, like data dot sex w equal to male. Then we are setting the color of the male, color dot male. Just checking is the parameter is correct. Color, we may set this as colors. Okay, then here it is colors dot male, otherwise it is colors dot female. Okay, let us check if this thing is working. Okay, you can see that different colors for male and female. Male is blue color and female is red color. So just for checking, we pass the colors as other parameters. So we can pass any other parameters in the cell renderer params. We commonly setting many parameters to a component, so we can use these cell renderer params for passing data to the component. So now I am going to add a button here. Okay, so we can check the click event is it is working for button. Okay, click me. Okay, we are adding an on click function. On click equal to handle click function. Handle click. We are passing the data dot first name, data dot first name. So we are sending the data dot first name to the handle click function. Const handle click. So I am currently just alerting the data. We need to accept the value. Okay, currently we can check it how it looks like. Okay, you can see the button here, and when clicking on it, it says Henry, hello Henry, saying Diana. So we have learned how to handle the click events or something from the button. So now you learn about adding the components. Now I am just showing some other features, like we can add the width of each column here. Width, I am just setting width to 300. You can check it. Okay, so you can see that the width of each column is changed, and there is a scroll bar up here. Now we need to pinning this greeting column here on the left side, so it will display here. I am adding the command for it. We have to add a column. Right, pin the right, so it will be displayed in the right side of the column. Okay, you can see that greeting is here. All other columns are under the greeting. Sorry, the right side columns are under the scroll bar is coming here. Okay, now we are going to check about something like if you clicking in the cell, it is displaying a border here. So if there is a button click, it will not look good. There is a border, so it is a default feature, like when clicking on each cell there is a border. Okay, I will show you how to remove it. So for removing we have a style, like we have a method like cell style. We are setting the border to none. Okay, so greeting on border, we have changed it. Now when you clicking it, there is no borders. Okay, for these columns there is borders, and this column there is no borders. If you need to remove columns for each of these columns, you just need to add the cell style to this. We may add we may add any style here, like background. We may use a yellow color. Yellow. You can see. If you need to remove the filter, you can just remove it by filter. We have applied the filter for all columns using the column definitions. We can remove it from here only. Filter false. Okay, you can see it now. It is finished, it is removed. So now we have learned about adding the components to cell columns, cell rows, and basic styling, like adding style to the cell rows or changing the styles. Okay, now I am winding you. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.